Hey guys, today let's solve the binary search problem. So basically this problem are asking us to find the index of the target number, and we just simply need to return the index. So basically to solve this problem, first we can use single iteration, and the second one is using binary search. Let me show you. For the single iteration, we just simply need to looping through the array where e is smaller than nums.length, right? We will increment them. If the nums index is equal to the target, we will return the index. Else, if the target are not found, we will need to return -1, right? Then that's all for the single iteration solution. Let's do the time and space complexity analysis. This one will be O in time because we are looping through the given array, right? And it will be O1 space, O in time, and O1 space because we don't need any extra space, right? Then how about for the binary search solution? Well, let me show you. So first we need to start from the left side. Left side is 0, right side is the nums.length -1, and basically the binary search, we will start searching from the middle of the array, right? So it will be, while the left side is smaller or equal to the right side, we need to declare the middle. The middle side is left plus right divided by 2. If the nums index middle is equal to the target, what we need to do is return the middle, right? Else, if the nums index mid is smaller than the target, what we need to do is we assign the middle and we +1 as the left side. Else, the right side will be the middle and -1. If the target are not found, we just simply need to return -1, right? This one is option 2, binary search. Then how do I know if my code are working? Well, let's do the dry run. Dry run. Let's say the given array is like this. So the left side will be 0, the right side will be 5, right? 0 is smaller or equal to 5, that is true. The mid now will be main.floor 0 plus 5 divided by 2, which is 2. The nums index 2, is it equal to the target? Nums index 2 is 3, right? Is it equal to 9? False. Then how about nums index 2, is it smaller than the target? 3 smaller than 9, which is true, right? So what we need to do is we assign the middle as the left side, right? Which is true. Then we +1. Now the left side is 3 and the right side still remain is 5. 3 is smaller or equal to 5. That is true. The mid now is main.floor 3 plus 5 divided by 2, which is 4. Nums index 4, is it equal to the target? Which is true, right? Because nums index 4 is 9, right? And the target is also 9. So what we need to do is return the middle, which is 4. So I think like that's all for the diagram. So the time complexity for this problem, for the solution is log n time, because the binary search are starting from the middle, right? And we'll keep divide the search range. Each steps reduce the problem size by half. So that's why the binary search solution will have log n time, and because we don't need any extra space, right? It will be all one space. Okay, I think like that's all. Let's submit. Okay, as we can see it here, it's working. I think that's all, and see you next time.